Alright, it's your boy Jay. Man, I'm out here grinding ODU, man, trying to make the team. You know what I'm saying? Doing my best, putting in my work. It's gonna pay off though, but hey, I'm fucking with New Agenda, man. Tune in, you feel me?
Hey.
It's a New Agenda.
Yo, welcome back, y'all, to another segment of the business class for New Agenda. We had to take it to the field one time for y'all just to switch it up a little bit. But a lot of people been asking about like the housing market, rates, what they should do when they get into their first property, and yada yada. So a couple different things. One, if you're looking about selling your house for cash, get with me. I got a couple things in play that could definitely help a lot of people out, especially right now with the pandemic and a lot of things going on. But the biggest thing right now is with the rates rising, everybody trying to get into their first property. So if you're looking to get into your first property, a couple key things you should be doing is, one, jotting down the area that you want to be in. If you want to be in a specific area, make sure that that aligns with your budget. You know what I'm saying? If it don't, there's nothing wrong with waiting to make sure that you get your first property or where you want to be at situated in the right space. You know what I'm saying? So you don't necessarily want to settle, especially if there's somewhere that you see yourself in the long term. I mean, so definitely get that into play. The next thing is emotion, is if you qualify for something right now, the prices is kind of high. This is a seller's market. So the second thing is, don't overbuy on the property. What I mean is, don't pay too much above what that house is being offered. You know what I'm saying? There's going to be some cases to where you might miss out on the property because you're giving your specific price point, but when you find that specific property within your price point and they accept it, it's going to be worthwhile in the long run. Because what you're going to do when the rates go up and the prices drop, you know what I'm saying, you run into a jam. Then now you stuck. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want to be in that reverse situation where you owe more than your house is worth. So that's definitely something to keep out for people who are looking to get into the game. So with that being said, y'all have questions. I'm not a financial advisor, but if y'all have questions, you can definitely get with me. I know a little bit, and I help all my team around me to make sure we all doing good. So definitely get with me. New Agenda Zoe. I'll be going over some more tips and tricks for y'all. We're going to go over stocks. We're going to go over credit. You know what I'm saying? Real estate, investing. I mean, if it's money to be made out there, we got our hands on it. We definitely going to be talking about it. And I want y'all to interact with us too. So let us know different things going on out there. And, we'll stay tuned.